How to save tax by investing in real estate. Hey everyone, Scott here, your go-to guy for all things real estate investing with Exodus Capital. Today, we're diving into a topic that has a lot of people curious, and honestly, a little excited. How you can use real estate investing to save on taxes. Yeah, I said it, taxes. They're not going away, but if you're smart about real estate, you can keep a lot more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. And who doesn't want that? Imagine being able to leverage your investments to not only grow your wealth, but also to reduce your tax burden. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. We'll cover everything from the basics of tax deductions and credits to more advanced strategies like 1031 exchanges and depreciation. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, there's something here for everyone. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to make the most out of your real estate investments while keeping Uncle Sam at bay. Let's get started. So, why real estate? I get this question all the time. Real estate is one of the best ways to build wealth, but it's also one of the most strategic ways to save on taxes. It's like a 2-for-1 deal, and when you know how to play the game, the tax benefits can be huge. Let's talk specifics. Here are some of the ways real estate can save you money on taxes. Depreciation. Now, I know depreciation sounds like something you don't want, but it's actually one of the biggest perks in real estate. Basically, the IRS allows you to treat part of your property's value as a loss, even if it's actually appreciating in value. It's like getting a tax break on something that's getting more valuable by the day. Another big one, mortgage interest deduction. If you finance your properties, and let's be real, most of us do, you can deduct the interest you pay on the mortgage from your taxable income. It's a great way to make debt work for you rather than against you. And then there's the 1031 exchange. This is where things get really interesting. A 1031 exchange lets you defer paying capital gains taxes when you sell a property, as long as you reinvest the proceeds into a similar property. So you keep rolling that money forward without getting hit by capital gains tax. Real estate has some amazing perks, but it's not all rainbows and easy money. Here's what holds a lot of people back. Words like depreciation, 1031 exchange, and cap rates can make your head spin if you're just starting out. Let's face it, real estate can be expensive, and the thought of putting a huge amount of money on the line can feel intimidating. Not everyone has thousands of dollars to risk. Owning real estate often means becoming a landlord, and that's a job in itself. From finding tenants to maintaining the property, it's a lot to juggle. And then there's the tax part. All those deductions and exchanges we just talked about, well, they come with a lot of fine print, and messing up could lead to costly mistakes. Alright, so if you're watching this and thinking, wow, I want the tax benefits but don't know where to start, you're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed when it comes to navigating the complexities of real estate investing and tax-saving strategies. It's completely normal to feel this way, especially if you're new to the world of real estate. But don't worry, I've got some good news for you. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. There are resources and experts available to help you every step of the way. Imagine the relief of knowing you have a team of professionals guiding you through the process. At Exodus Capital, we've built a comprehensive real estate investing program that's specifically designed to help you tackle these pain points head-on. Our program is tailored to meet the needs of both beginners and seasoned investors, ensuring that you have the tools and knowledge necessary to succeed. We'll guide you through every step, from understanding the basics of real estate investing, such as property selection and market analysis, to mastering advanced tax-saving strategies like the 1031 exchange. This powerful tool allows you to defer capital gains taxes, giving you more capital to reinvest and grow your portfolio. You'll get the support, strategies, and confidence to start investing like a pro. Our team of experts is dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals, providing personalized advice and support tailored to your unique situation. So, if you're ready to take that step, just click the link in the description. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of resources, including webinars, workshops, and one-on-one consultations with our experienced advisors. Let's start saving on taxes together and build a brighter financial future. Don't let confusion and uncertainty hold you back. Take control of your financial destiny with Exodus Capital. We're here to help you every step of the way. Now that you know why real estate investing is such a powerful tool for tax savings, let's talk a little about how you can get started. What are you hoping to achieve? Long-term wealth? Extra income? Knowing your goal will guide your strategy and help you choose the right properties. You don't have to go it alone. Exodus Capital's program teaches you to analyze properties, understand markets, and choose investments that fit your goals. If the idea of a big investment is overwhelming, that's okay. Start with something manageable, and use the knowledge you gain to expand when you're ready. Real estate is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. This is where you get to keep more of what you earn, and that's what we teach. Strategies that help you legally and strategically reduce your tax burden. With Exodus Capital, you're not just getting an education, you're joining a community of people who've been where you are. From online tools to real-time support, we've set up a system that lets you learn, ask questions, and feel confident in your investment choices. So let's recap. Real estate investing isn't just about building wealth. It's about keeping more of that wealth by taking advantage of the tax benefits available to you. Don't let fear or a lack of knowledge hold you back from what could be a life-changing opportunity. With the right approach, real estate can be both profitable and tax-efficient. If you're ready to save on taxes and start building your real estate portfolio, now's the time. Real estate investment can be a powerful tool for financial growth, and with the right guidance, you can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence. Whether you're a first-time investor or looking to expand your existing portfolio, the opportunities are endless. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your investments are working for you, providing both immediate tax benefits and long-term financial security. Click the link in the description to learn more about Exodus Capital's real estate program. Our comprehensive program is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. From understanding market trends to mastering tax strategies, we cover it all. Our team of experts is dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals, offering personalized advice and support every step of the way. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take control of your financial future. We'll show you exactly how to invest confidently and tax efficiently. Our step-by-step approach ensures that you make informed decisions, minimizing risks and maximizing returns. With our guidance, you'll learn how to identify lucrative investment opportunities, understand the tax implications, and develop a strategy that aligns with your financial objectives. Investing in real estate doesn't have to be daunting. With the right support, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time and interest in our content. Your support motivates us to continue providing valuable information and resources to help you succeed in your real estate journey. Remember, every great investment starts with a single step, and we're here to guide you along the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your engagement helps us reach more people who can benefit from our insights and expertise. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, tips, and strategies, ensuring you never miss out on valuable information. And share this video with anyone who could use a little tax relief. Sharing is caring, and by spreading the word, you can help others discover the benefits of smart real estate investing. Whether it's a friend, family member, or colleague, everyone can benefit from learning how to save on taxes and build wealth through real estate. And don't forget to follow us on social media for more tips on real estate investing. Our social media channels are packed with useful content, including market updates, investment tips, and success stories from our community. By following us, you'll stay connected and informed, gaining access to exclusive insights and opportunities. Here's to your financial future. See you in the next video. We look forward to continuing this journey with you, providing the knowledge and support you need to achieve your financial dreams. Until next time, happy investing.